Hey there folks, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a tech product that I like to call a quality of life improvement. It's an item that I need here in the studio, and I also have a bonus product that we're going to be unboxing here. And if this is your first time here, my name is Adrian with Project Ramos. I'm a tech enthusiast. On this channel I cover the tech topic as well as electronics. So everything from unboxings to product reviews to DIY electronics, servers, computers. So if you're into those topics, I encourage you to subscribe. That way you get notified when I upload a new video. As I'm explaining what this product is and why I brought it in, I'm going to begin the unboxing of it. So here in the studio, I have a camera that I shoot all my A-roll with, which is the one I'm using right now. It's a Sony A7 IV. And instead of using batteries, I know that this little product here exists. It's a dummy battery, and it's made by SmallRig. And so this piece right here gets inserted into the camera, and on the other end is a DC barrel, which I'm going to see if I can hack this to be able to use it with a V-mount battery. So in the box we also get the SmallRig little instructions. No big deal there. We get an AC cord here, and then here is the power brick. Now, one of the reasons I needed this was, first of all, so that I won't run out of battery while I'm recording, which is, it can really kill your creative flow when that happens. And I also, as I said, want to see if I can hack this DC barrel here to be able to use it with the V-mount battery. It looks like it should work, but I'm going to have to experiment with that. The reason I wanted to grab this SmallRig branded one is because I've used these dummy batteries in the past, not this brand, but different brands. And I get a pop-up on my camera saying that the battery that's in the camera is not a genuine battery. And what I've been reading about these SmallRig ones is that it won't give you that error message. So I want to test it out and see if that is the case. And another reason why I want to use this is, well, first of all, to not run out of battery, but also I've found that if I do put in the Sony battery or, into the camera and plug in the USB-C cable to keep it charged up at the same time while I'm recording, it heats up the camera a little more and it's prone to overheating. So I'm hoping that tricking the camera that it actually has a full battery the entire time, it's not going to generate more heat, being that there's nothing coming in to charge the battery at the same time. All right, so for the bonus item here, I decided to open this one up in this video as well, because I have an extra phone here. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, look at the back. It's all broken there. Let's see if I can show you right there. It's all broken up. Of course, that's the doing of my daughter. So I upgraded her to the iPhone 17. So now I'm going to be using this as kind of like a controller. And I was considering getting this fixed, but I thought, well, I can buy myself some time. And instead, because there's literally chunks of glass missing here. So instead, I opted to just get a case to put over the phone itself. The brand on this one is Supfine, S-U-P-F-I-N. I've seen this brand around Amazon quite a bit. So I'm sure these are good cases here. So now, covering this up, the thought is I could prevent from getting cut from the glass there. So now it's nicely covered, and it has the MagSafe pass-through, so I can still use all of my MagSafe accessories with this phone. So now I can use this phone as a controller. So In my previous video where I unboxed the iPhone 17 Pro, I mentioned that I was using the Blackmagic Camera App to shoot the video. And one of the cool things about the Blackmagic Camera App is that you can use a secondary device to be able to adjust the settings on the device that you're recording on. So that's what I'm planning to use this for. And then also for different services like going live on Amazon or going live on YouTube, you can moderate comments on a device like this. So it's going to come in handy. And then, I'll also use it for other tests that might be coming up. I'm going to be testing out this dummy battery here, and I will report back on a separate video and let you know if I recommend this guy. And I can tell you right now, no review needed. This is a very nice case. So look out. Well, I'm going to have all the links in the description, so if you want to check these out. But the brand is Supfine. Case feels really good. I would definitely recommend this case. So that's going to do it for me on this video. Once again, do consider subscribing. Hit the like. That way we can hack the algorithm and let YouTube know that you liked this video. And on that note, I hope to see you on the next one.